Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Shopify Actions bar. It's very simple. Just follow my steps. First, inside your Shopify store, once you see this interface, you wanna go to your themes and select Actions. Here, just click Actions and then select Click Edit Code. And search here base.css, just add this as your assets. Now all the way down, you can just copy my code and put it here. Feel free to post it. Just paste it here, and once you're done, just click save icon above. After that, you will see that your action bar is gone. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.